How to enable YouTube stories without 10k subscribers. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to know that this is all the you can see the shorts that all the people showing you. That's it is not a source that uh, you are worried that it is shorts and I can't upload the shorts with the minimum 10k subscriber with 10k subscribers. So I am showing you that this is not a shorts, this is a shorts video. This is short video. This is not a story. So you have to know it that this is a short video, and the YouTube trying to show him as a YouTube stories, but it is a short video which is uh, uh, longer, about 20 to 30 seconds. So as you can see, and uh, you when you go to the Google page, you can see the YouTube story requirements, and here it will see that if you have a 10k subscriber, then you can upload the YouTube stories on your YouTube channel. So it will look like impossible for uh, the people without 10k, so you can't do this. And when I go to my channel, here you can see, when I click on the upload, here you can see you can create a shorts. As I am showing you that those people creating shorts, not a story. So you can create a short, and when I have a 10k subscriber, then I can also create a when then I can create the YouTube stories. So you need YouTube you need 10k subscribers to create YouTube story. So don't worry about that. These people is not creating YouTube stories without 10k. They are creating shorts, and this is not YouTube stories. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and let me know in the comments that it works. Have a good day.